But again, like, comment, subscribe. Honestly, if you guys just subscribe and turn notifications on, that'd be clutch. Hi, my name is Omi, and on this channel, we enable others to love their hair by simplifying hair care, something that's so difficult, but so easy. So today we're gonna be talking about Apogee 2-Step Protein Treatment. What is Apogee 2-Step Protein Treatment? So it's a protein treatment that's going to reduce breakage, and it works for 4 to 6 weeks. Every 4 to 6 weeks you get a new one. That being said, when you use Apogee protein treatment, there are a variety of things that can occur. Or should I say, you can do it for a variety of reasons. Did you know that Apogee can improve the quality of other services such as color and bleaching and just other chemical services in general? Did you also know that it can restore your curl pattern? Apogee has been tried and true for many, usually for curl restoration. But I'm here to tell you today that it has so many other uses. That being said, we are going to be talking about curl restoration in this first video. So in this video, I'm going to give you the step-by-step directions for how to use Apogee if you're looking to restore your natural curls. You want to start with clean, dry hair. You want to make sure you take a towel and wrap it around your shoulders. It's going to get messy, ladies and gents. Apply step 1 by scrunching it throughout your hair. You're going to want to make sure you apply it evenly, and you're also going to want to make sure that you do not comb your hair. Don't comb your hair. Don't comb your hair. Don't do it. Oh, don't do it. Oh my God. Okay, see, like in real life, memes just jump out at me as I'm thinking, and it's just ridiculous, but I love it. I love who I am. You want to also make sure your hair is completely saturated. Now, step 3, you're going to make sure you allow your hair to dry until the product is hardened. Step 4, you're going to rinse it gently. And you're gonna make sure that you start with warmer water and then you decrescendo. Does that work in real life or just music? To cooler water. So warm and then cool as you're repeating the process. And you wanna make sure you rinse it thoroughly. Step 5, you're going to apply the balancing moisturizer. You're gonna do this also by scrunching the hair. The key here when you're doing the curl restoration is scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Because what you're wanting your hair to do is really harden in that shrunken state. You want to keep step 2, the balancing moisturizer, on your hair for 3 minutes. Just another reminder, do not comb your hair. Step 6, you're going to rinse gently, first with warm water again, and then with cooler water. Step 7, dry using a diffuser, and then style as usual. This is how Apogee can be used to restore your curls. I hope this was helpful, and if so, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that fun stuff. Apogee can be used in a variety of ways, and we will be exploring some of them on this channel throughout. I can't even tell you what month, honestly, because we've been working. But again, like, comment, subscribe. Honestly, if you guys just subscribe and turn notifications on, that'd be clutch. Because I really want you guys to know when I upload, which by the way is every Wednesday at 2:30 EST. I'm always, going to be uploading at that particular time. I will have extra videos coming here and there. I know in the month of April, I'll have an extra video or 2.